Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today I'm excited to see what's in the Macy's Beauty Box for August. If you are not familiar with the Macy's Beauty Box, it is a $15 a month subscription from Macy's. It will include beauty products that you can get at Macy's, and it will also usually include a $5 coupon, sometimes a $10 coupon that you can use towards future purchases at the Macy's Beauty Department, either online or in the store. They will usually also include one surprise item as well, so that's in addition to your box, your items for the beauty products themselves. So it's always fun to see what we got. As we check out this box together, leave me some comments of what you think are the best products in this, if you think it's worth the $15 value that we paid for it, and what have been your favorite products that you've gotten for your surprise items from previous Macy's boxes. I'd love to know. I can't wait to check and see what's in the August box with you guys. Let's dig in. I will say the only thing, and if you've watched more than one of my Macy's videos, the only thing I don't like is unsticking it. They will never fall apart, but they are super sticky. I'm in love so far. Okay, you guys, this is our box. Everything always comes wrapped so pretty. Our monthly items are wrapped up in tissue paper. We did get a $5 off coupon for off of $20 off your next Macy's purchase. And you guys, we got a Kylie Jenner cosmetic bag, and this is so cute. It's pink, it's fuzzy, it's almost like plush velvet, and it unzips at an angle. This is the best surprise item they've ever done. Look at how much you can fit in here. So it folds up really small. This is perfect for travel. If you carry a big purse like I do sometimes, this would be great for your purse. But a Kylie Jenner cosmetic bag in our free surprise item in our $15 Macy's subscription beauty box. Like, you guys, this probably is well more than the $15 just by itself. I mean, typically the surprise items are not this impressive, but this feels like a quality product. Even the zipper is fuzzy. This is amazing. And this is probably an 8 by 3.5 inch size item, I'm guessing. I don't have the exact measurements, but beautiful. I'm excited to see what's now in our little box. Okay, our first item is actually a Kylie Cosmetics mascara, and this has got to be a full-size product. This may be one of the best Macy's boxes. You guys, this is the Kylie Volume Mascara, and look at how beautiful the packaging is. That is Kylash is what this is called. How cute is that? It takes Kylie and lashes and puts them together. The feel of this is so quality. I love this. Let's check and see what that brush looks like. Ooh, very nice, very fluffy. Well, that's a really great brush, nice and fluffy, so that should give us some really good eyelashes. I'm excited for that. I'm impressed. I always like the Macy's bags, but some months they're less impressive than others. This month, oh my gosh, so far this is okay. So we had a takeover box 2 boxes ago, month before last, and it was from Kiehl's. It was from Kiehl's Beauty Products. When that happens, you don't get a free surprise item, you just get the beauty products. So this one, if that cosmetic bag is not the surprise item, it's part of this bundle because all of these products are Kylie products. So there are a total of 6 products in addition to the bag. So we already looked at the mascara. The next one is a Kylie Jenner lipstick, matte liquid lipstick. I'm thrilled with this box, you guys. Ooh, what a pretty color. That is a red. It's not quite, let me pull it back. It is that color red. So this is a really pretty red. If I put it closer, it makes it look brighter. Well, that's actually pretty close to it. It's a beautiful deep red. And you can see, I'm going to pull it back. It is a gorgeous red. Let me see if I can see what actually the color is of this. Mary Jo K is this the color of this one. Let's give this one a swatch and see what it looks like. Beautiful color. Again, it's looking a little cranberry up close, but really it is a beautiful deep kind of orangey. No, it's a blue red. It's a really pretty deep blue red, and it is gorgeous. Another matte lipstick from Kylie. Oh, this one's more my speed. This is a beautiful nude color, and this one, this is Cocoa K. This is a Cocoa K is the color for this one. Another beautiful color, really beautiful. It is 100% just a natural nude lipstick. Let's check and see what this one looks like. Oh, that is just as pretty as I thought it would be. Gorgeous neutral nude color. It's a pinky nude. It's a really pretty color, and I love that. In love with both of these, and they're smooth as silk going on. The formula for these is amazing. I love that. I love it because you can add a teeny bit of extra color to it if you want to. If you need to mute down a color, you could blend the two of these for a really pretty color sometime. But I know it's still early, but I'm already thinking holidays, and this red's going to be a gorgeous one for the holidays. The next thing we have are 3 little sample packets from Kylie Skin. We have a makeup melting remover. We have an exfoliating toner, and we have a moisturizer. So these are all going to be obviously single-use items, but it gives you a chance to see if the products react to your skin well, if you can wear them. You might be able to, especially with the exfoliating toner, you can tell if you got some good use out of that one or not. But you guys, $15, and we got 2 full-size products, because this is a full-size makeup bag, 2 sample lipsticks that are gorgeous colors, and a trial for the skincare. I can't stand it. This is too good. And of course they all will fit in our cute little bag. I will find out how much this mascara costs just on its own and see if this bag is listed anywhere, and if it is, I'll put the prices for you in the corner. But you guys, $15, blew this one out of the park. Plus we still have our $5 coupon. I will put the link for Macy's Beauty Box in the description box below. Check it out. You won't be sorry. You will love this one. $15 a month. And I got it. This is now just the beginning of August, and I already have my box. So I've had it for a few days. So I got it like in the first 2 or 3 days of August. So excellent subscription box. Great for your budget. Very versatile in the products that you'll get. Very good high-end products a lot of times that you get samples of. I'm in love with this box. I hope you are too. If you did enjoy this video and would like to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. For now, I want to thank you for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.